Hello and welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul.
欢迎到跟阿布杜勒学汉语。
You can get this link from the description of this video. You can also copy it if you like. Please wait for the website to be loaded, since the database is quite large, so it may take some time if your internet speed is not good enough. Make sure to only type Chinese characters in the first box. After typing the Chinese character, press Enter key. The words limit in first box is 30 characters, so you can cover any sentence that contains less than 30 Chinese characters. See some examples for your reference. The good part is that this application is free to use. There is no limit. Another good feature of this application is that you can copy and paste any Chinese text from your computer to get its conversion. Let's take another example. Well, that's not enough. There is another wonderful feature of this application. You can get printout of the search. You can also save it as a PDF file. In third box, there is some mistake due to wrong font selection, but never mind. Our team is working on it to resolve it as soon as possible. I hope you like this effort. Please share this video with others too. The link of this app is in the description of this video.